Harnessing video editing tools for outstanding presentations. Hello everyone. Welcome to our latest tutorial on enhancing your presentation skills. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating topic: video editing tools. You might wonder, why are we discussing video editing tools in a presentation design series? Well, in this digital era, integrating visuals and multimedia elements into your presentations can significantly increase audience engagement. Let's start with understanding why video editing is so crucial for creating impactful presentations. As you might already know, humans are visual creatures. We process images 60,000 times faster than text. That's why high-quality visuals can make your presentations more interesting, understandable, and memorable. Adding video content takes this a step further. It allows you to convey complex ideas more effectively, hold your audience's attention, and even evoke emotions. However, raw video clips might not always fit your presentation seamlessly. That's where video editing tools come into play. With these tools, you can trim, cut, join video clips, add text overlays, incorporate sound effects, and much more. By doing so, you ensure the video content fits perfectly with the flow of your presentation, thus enhancing its overall impact. Now that we understand the importance of video editing, let's discuss some popular tools you can use. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a professional-grade software, used widely in the film and television industry. It offers advanced features like multi-camera editing, 3D editing, and a vast array of special effects. 2. Final Cut Pro. This is another professional-level software, but it's only available for macOS. Its powerful features and seamless integration with other Apple products make it a favorite amongst many professionals. 3. iMovie. This tool is a more beginner-friendly option for Mac and iOS users. Despite its simplicity, iMovie offers a range of useful features like video effects, transitions, and titling. Remember, while these tools offer great features, the best one for you depends on your specific needs, your comfort level with video editing, and your budget. When you first open a video editing tool, the vast array of options can be quite overwhelming. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Start small. Begin with simple tasks like trimming a video clip or adding text overlays. Once you're comfortable with these, move on to more advanced features. 2. Use templates. Most video editing tools offer templates. These are pre-made formats that can help you get a quick start. 3. Learn continually. There are plenty of free resources available online to help you learn these tools. Make good use of them and keep improving your skills. Remember, mastering a video editing tool takes time and practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right at the first go. And there you have it, folks. A quick introduction to video editing tools and how they can help elevate your presentations. Remember, the ultimate goal of using these tools is to enhance your presentation, not to overshadow the content. Keep practicing and experimenting, and you'll find that your ability to create engaging, professional presentations grows with each attempt. Happy editing!